Alright, what's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to take a look at the altcoin market, and I'm also going to look at Bitcoin. I'm going to show you some possible plans I have for longs on altcoins this weekend. Alright, so I'm going to be uploading more videos to this channel. So if you're watching this on YouTube, remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that like button if you like what you're seeing. So let me just give you a quick rundown of what I'm watching here today. So basically what I'm thinking here on Bitcoin, I'm actually, I'm liking the fact that it kind of looks like Bitcoin could potentially want to break out here, right? But we're going to be waiting for that breakout. So if I apply the alert lines right here, you'll see that I have one alert right above the resistance right here, and that's the resistance area I want Bitcoin to break above. So the plan for Bitcoin here, if we're looking for longs, we want to see this resistance area right here get taken out. We want to see a breakout, and what we're going to do then is we're going to go long on the possible retest of that breakout area. Now this also leads me to the altcoin market. I've been scanning the altcoin market. I've been watching about 400 altcoins, and this is the result of that scan. I'm going to go through this list, and we're going to see if we can find anything interesting here for a possible trade. So I do think that the best thing to do this weekend, if you are looking for longs, is wait for the breakout on Bitcoin and then look for a confirmed setup on altcoins. So what you're basically doing is you're trading the move on Bitcoin, but you're doing that on altcoins. And in my experience, the risk to reward by doing this is slightly higher than just trading Bitcoin. So you're watching the Bitcoin chart, you're getting confirmation from Bitcoin, but you're taking the trade on an altcoin. And these are some of the altcoins that I'm interested in. So let's first take a look at 1 inch right here. What I like about 1 inch is it's trying to get above the daily 20 EMA, and if we do get a break and retest of the daily 20 EMA, it's going to be very simple, right? We're going to be going long on the break and retest of the daily 20 EMA for a move up to the daily 50 EMA. And you can clearly see how this resistance area right here is confluent with the daily 20 EMA, and then the daily 50 EMA is in very nice confluent with this resistance area above. So we're basically waiting for a breakout, retest, and go, right? And that lines up with the idea of going long on the break and retest of Bitcoin. But it does look like altcoins are going to break out before Bitcoin does. It's very important that if you go long on the break and retest of the altcoin, you shouldn't be doing that before Bitcoin actually gets above the 22,000 mark, right? So that's 1 inch, and all of these altcoins are going to pretty much look the same. You're just looking at the resistance area, this one right here, and you're going to go long on the break and retest of that resistance area. It's going to be pretty much the same on all altcoins. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go through this list. I'm going to categorize them by section 1 and section 2, and section 1 is going to be the most important ones, the one we are going to monitor. So 1 inch right here, I really like. We're going to move that to the first section, and we're going to add one alert right above this level to alert us on when the breakout is happening. By the way, guys, this is a really good way of showing you how you should be using the alerts in TradingView to help you trade more efficiently and use it as a tool in your market scanning. So when you have a lot of alerts on the altcoins, you're going to get a lot of alerts popping up here in the alert section of TradingView. You're going to go through these alerts, and as soon as you open up that alert, you can, example here would be a GBP JPY, right? It alerted me now, and it now looks like I want to go long, right? But if I want some extra confirmation, I'm going to add one more alert here, right? So this alert panel in TradingView will act as a market scanner where you go through all the alerts, and when you get a new alert, you look at the chart, is this a trade? If not, you add a new alert, right? And it goes on like that. But let's go back to the altcoin market. So we got Algo USDT. This is same thing, but there's too much resistance in the way. So Algo is not getting upgraded. Anchor, same thing, but the resistance, the risk reward is just not good here. Atom, Same thing here with Atom. Too much resistance in the way before we hit that daily 50. The risk to reward is not good. Auto, not good. We got this one right here, AXS. No hitting resistance right now. Bad. Well, you know, this looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I'm going to update that one because look at this. I mean, we're actually trading above the daily 20 EMA and the daily 50 EMA. So we're like at a major resistance area right here, and this could really run if we see something bigger from Bitcoin. Bad is in a beautiful position to create some big moves right here. So currently we have 1 inch and Bad. We're gonna go to seller. Yeah, I quite like this. I mean, it could potentially hit the monthly open. We're gonna upgrade that one. We're gonna look at comp. Perfect, just as 1 inch. Civic. What's Civic doing? Oh, yeah, okay, let's update that one. Litecoin. Litecoin, will it pump to 1,000? Probably not. Maybe. No, probably not. So, no, not Litecoin. Qtum. What's going on in Qtum? This is good. I like that one. Sol, with the Sol phone. This probably has to be rebooted quite often, but we might long it anyway. Sol, I like that. Theta. Looking good. Major resistance. Major resistance. We break and retest that one. It's going to be good long. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 altcoins that I'm currently watching. So out of about 400 altcoins I scanned this morning, I found 8 altcoins that I'm going to be monitoring this weekend, right? I'm going to be sharing them all on Twitter as well. So if I do take a trade or if I do find a setup, I'm going to be sharing everything with you guys on Twitter because it's midsummer in Sweden today. I'm probably not going to be able to have the capacity to be able to record a video. I might be able to post a chart or two on Twitter. So definitely follow me on Twitter. I'm at libs42 on Twitter. Let's go through the, well, actually, let's look at the altcoin perp here. So this is what I'm watching, right? So what you see here is the altcoin index, the alt perp on FTX is hitting a resistance area right here. And what we want to see is we want to see this level break out, and we want to see this level get touched. And that's pretty much the same setup that we have on, you know, 1 inch right here, and let's say Civic, right? Well, at least 1 inch, where you have the breakout and you hit this resistance. So what we're doing right here is we're watching Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can break above this resistance right here, we're then going to look at this list and we're going to look for a break and retest, and the moves on altcoins are going to be shown most likely in the alt perp with a move higher right here. Not all altcoins will move according to this, right? It's not going to hit the resistance right here, but I do think that coins like 1 inch probably will. So right at this very moment, I don't have entry, stop loss, and take profit for you guys because that's something we have to figure out when the break and retest actually happens, and that is going to be posted on Twitter. I will, however, make a new video covering what happened during the weekend, so I'm going to be updating you guys on the process. All right, guys, hopefully you like this video. Let me know in the comments below. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.